How we tell our 9 black cats from each other. Aurora is short-haired baby face. The other baby face is Nyx, which obviously loves her treats. Then we have Lucifer. Lucifer is large and in charge. He's the largest cat that looks like a mini panther. Then we have his sister, Rhea, which is fuzzy and mid-sized. And she has a little patch of white right under her chin. Then we have Coda. Coda, we think, is part Mancoon, but he's chill and fluffy. Then we have the other fluffy one, Zoria, which has a big lion's mane. And we have Anara. Anara is the mother of Lucifer and Rhea, and she is fuzzy, and she is a princess. Eros, that is still a little shy, is long and slender, short-haired. Tyr doesn't make it for treat time because he is still quite feral, and his wide eyes give him away. Hi, Tyr.